Using the oil for an Honda Civic 2014. This in place is what I use as my wedge stones, and my axle jack, my jack, power tool, oil, oil filter. So to use my other axle stand. So I think I should have more room now under the car. So let's begin. So now to find a way to take all this screw out of this cover, or the screw, take it out, everything, so I have access to the oil nut. So that's the oil drain plug. So I'm going to open this now. Oh, I forgot, that's the pan that I took out. So the drain plug is usually on the driver's side. That's the right. For UK, it's on the right hand. If you're driving a left hand vehicle, it will be on the left hand. So this is the right hand, the other side is my left hand. So just under it, facing it, as you can see, is written, I don't know if you can see this, this is engine oil, this is the drain plug. So we're going to loosen this now and drain the oil. And you have to open your oil cap so it can drain easily. So I'm going to leave this for like, I don't know how many minutes, maybe like 5 minutes. So let it totally drain out. So while it's still draining, it's almost draining. Let me go get the oil filter remover tool so I can take this out and fixing a new one. I got the remover tool, so this is it. So let's open it and see how it works. So this is the tool. So once I insert my drill tool here and it's turning, it gets tight here and losing the oil filter. So there's no way I'm going to record that because I'll be using my other hand to losing this. So let me lose it and I'll come back. Then cover the drain plug. This was giving me a tough time. I was almost thinking it was the tool I got. That's the oil filter removing tool. It's almost giving me a tough time. So apparently the last person that serviced this car tightened the oil filter too much, which is not supposed to be. It's turning already. It's turning. I'm so happy now. So I'm gonna use my hand now. So take it off. Wash it off. Oh. So that is done. Try to clean this. Don't open. Try to clean. So I'm going to give it a bit of a little oil touch on this rubber. I'm using this 0W20. To here, little hole here. That should be fine. Then we install back the filter. So make it tight but not too tight like the last person that changed this. The Honda Civic 2014 uses a 3.7 liter capacity for the oil. So and this is a 5 liter, so I'm not going to pour everything in it. So So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to run the engine for a bit, for like 1 minute, then check the level. It's just in the middle. Just in the middle level, so I still have to pour more and check. This one, 3.7. No leaking. Drain plug fine. Oil seal fine. So let me cover this part first, then now we repark the car and gauge the oil again. So I'm done tightening this, so let's try and level the car so that I can properly gauge the oil. Let's check again. So it has come up a bit, but it has not touched the I want it to be very close to the max level gauge. So let's clean it and double check again. So I'm going to pour a little oil in it. So just a little. Just a little. Just a little. So that should be fine. Yes. So this is good. So that's all about draining and changing oil for any type of car actually, but this is for Honda Civic 2014. Thanks for watching.